Project managers are talented jugglers. They deliver projects on time, on budget, and within scope, while keeping the project's team's daily work environment organized and on track. Project managers plan and manage projects at every phase, including defining project goals, determining the system and technology needed, creating detailed schedules, building a budget, identifying staffing needs, and hiring and managing the project staff. They break the work down into stages and monitor progress with an eye on deadline. Communication skills are essential in this field, along with attention to detail and management. Project managers also need the technical skills to understand the capabilities of the organization's technology, its limitation, and how it might be applied to suit the project's need. Motivating the team and keeping organizational leadership informed are also top priorities. Most project managers work more than 40 hours per week, with professionals and time management skills a top priority.